Now let us understand the meaning of what is called as a director circle of a given circle. Now by director circle we mean it's the locus of a point such that the pair of tangents drawn from that particular point to a given circle is at right angles to each other. So that means the two tangents that can be drawn from an external point to a circle, they are at right angles with each other, right? Because here we can see that if the point is very far away, okay, then the angle between the pair of tangents could be an acute angle. On the other hand, if the point is very close to the circle, it may happen that the angle between their respective two tangents could be obtuse angle. So in between we can sense that there is a possibility where the pair of tangents are exactly perpendicular to each other, right? So there are different possible positions of such a point, right, such that pair of tangents are at right angles to each other. So therefore that will form basically a circle outside a given circle, and that circle is called as the director circle. Now we have to find out an equation for that, and what is a property, what is a special property of a director circle with respect to a given circle. So let's consider the center of the given circle as say C, and from that if we drop a perpendicular to the 2 points of contacts of the two tangents, so since they will be at right angles, so clearly the remaining angle in the figure so formed is also a right angle. So basically all the angles are 90 degrees, and the two adjacent sides of this particular quadrilateral are same because they are the radii are of the same circle. So that means the figure so formed as shown here is nothing but a square. So PQCR is definitely a square. So if that is the case, the diagonal CP of that particular square must be root 2 times the side of the square. So that means it is root 2 times R. But what is CP? CP is nothing but the radius of the director circle. So this is where we get a very important information, or it's a defining condition, that the radius of the director circle is root 2 times the radius of the given circle, and of course the center of the director circle is same as the center of the given circle, correct? So therefore if we want to consider a standard circle, say x square plus y square equal to r square, then the equation of the director circle will be x square plus y square equal to, now the radius of the director circle is nothing but root 2 times r. So we will merely replace r with root 2r, and that gives us 2r square on the right side. Okay. So therefore this is how we get the equation of director circle. Now the same procedure will apply even if the circle is any general circle other than standard circle. For a general circle, the director circle will still have the same center, and the radius will be root 2 times the radius of the given circle. So let us see one example in which we have to find equation of the director circle of the circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. So first of all let us get the center and radius of this circle. Comparing, we get 2g is equal to 4, so therefore g is equal to 2, right? Then 2f is equal to minus 6, so therefore f is equal to minus 3, and c is minus 3 in the general form. So therefore center is minus g comma minus f, so that is minus 2 comma 3. We got the center of the circle, and radius is root of g square plus f square minus c, so that is g square is 2 square, that is 4, f square is minus 3 the whole square, that is nothing but 9, and minus of minus 3, that means ultimately plus 3, and that gives us root 16 So that means the radius is 4 of the given circle. So therefore, for director circle, we know that the center will remain the same, that is -2, 3, but radius will become root 2 times the radius of the given circle. So that is nothing but 4 root 2. So we write the equation of the circle as x minus of -2, that is x plus 2 the whole square, plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to 4 root 2 the whole square. So this is, we have used the center radius form. So therefore x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 4 root 2 the whole square will be equal to 32. So therefore finally, writing that in standard form, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. You will observe that these first 4 terms will remain same, simply because the center of the director circle is also same as center of the original circle. So 4 plus 9 gives us 13, and 13 minus 32. So we do 32 minus 13, that is nothing but 19. So we get minus 19 is equal to 0. So that is the equation of the director circle of the given circle.